Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kind of doing like a vlog style video. I'm actually cleaning my kitchen right now. My little one is napping and she's been napping for a while. We woke up pretty early. So normally when we do wake up early, she naps for a really long time and I like to take advantage of cleaning. So I just did dishes. That's why I have like a really large pile behind me. I'm about to clean out our fridge because it's been a while since I've done that, and I actually want to if you've seen my container store haul, I bought a lot of stuff to kind of like organize a little bit. So just wanted to show you how I'm gonna clean out my fridge and organize. Hopefully you guys like this video. If not, sorry, but this is like my mommy life and what I have to do to maintain a household. So one of my things fell off. So if you see, we have a lot of stuff in here. It's kind of really disorganized. This is where I normally keep like our fruit, our veggies, and then all of our like cold meat and cheese down there. On this side we just have like some juice, some condiments, and just more stuff like leftovers, my creamers, salad dressings, and just pickles and stuff down there. It's kind of crazy, but so I'm pretty much just gonna go through everything, and whatever's bad I'm gonna toss. A lot of my produce, like small things like these carrots and stuff, I actually really want to juice these carrots, so I'm probably gonna do that today just because I bought these a while ago, and if you don't juice carrots like when they're sweet, it doesn't really taste as good. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this craziness. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start with this top section right here. I'm going to go through everything and just throw away whatever is just going bad. Kind of just organize a little bit. I can't really put my camera on a tripod to make this easier because this is a really weird angle. Like you literally wouldn't be able to see anything. So I apologize for that, but I'm literally like, we have these potatoes and I'm probably going to put in a container so that they seal up, and then I'm just going to organize all this and I'll show you the after. Okay, so my first shelf has been cleared out. I was looking for my Meyers all-purpose cleaner, but I have no idea where my husband left it, and then I was looking for my Clorox wipes and I have no idea where those are at either. So somebody's calling me, hold on. Sorry guys, that was my husband calling, and I ended up having a conversation with him because we have a lot of stuff to do today. So I went ahead and cleaned up this top. I'm trying to get this stain out. So here's like one of my wine holders from the container store. Sorry, I'm just trying to get it back there. This was the one I was talking about that we got for like our wedding night, and we just never drank it, so we're saving it for our 1-year anniversary. But it's literally been chilling in our fridge for more than half a year, so I'm like really excited for our 1-year anniversary because I don't know, the hotel gave it to us. It's a Toso, hold on, let me get this to focus. A Toso Brut. It's like a Chardonnay champagne, seems like it. I don't know. Compliments of the hotel that we stayed at. So I also went ahead and cleaned up this top shelf, and let me go ahead and get this. So like I was previously stating, I normally use the the Meyers all-purpose cleaner. Clorox wipes, my husband said they were upstairs, but I got lazy, so I'm just using this. This is like Fabuloso, diluted in a little bit of water. It's a multi-purpose cleaner as well, and it smells fantastic, so that's what I use. Okay, so I'm making some progress. I went ahead and put all like our drinks. There's, like I said, the wine or champagne, whatever. So I got this from the container store too. I didn't really know like how to use it, so I actually went ahead and put like bread. Let me go ahead and turn it so you guys can see it. So there's like a loaf of bread. I like to keep my bread in the fridge because it makes it last longer. I have these two like egg white containers. These we got at like a church event that we went to, and we just haven't drank them yet, so just put them there so they look nicer, kind of out of the way. And then we have like these burger buns. I don't like that this is taking up like the whole area, but I do like how it's organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area. Y'all, we have all this beer, and this beer has been in there for like super long time. I'm not really a huge beer drinker. My husband does like beer, but I think Corona is not his favorite. We had this leftover from like, I think a shower, we had like a wedding party before our wedding, and this was what was left over. and it's still here. And then this is some homemade Greek yogurt that I made, so I'm just going to, yeah, pretty much clean this entire bottom part. And I'm going to move these over to our fridge in the garage because that's where my husband keeps all of his alcohol slash drinks, I guess. I don't know, that's just like his own little personal fridge in the garage. Okay, so here's what I have so far. I really like putting my like veggies in containers just because it kind of motivates me to actually use it more. So I sliced up all my mushrooms and put them in here. This has eggs in it, which I actually need to go buy some more, so that's going on my list. Some garlic, mini potatoes. This has like pickles, onions. These have green onions, and then just lettuce and spinach back there. So most of these containers, I bought this at like TJ Maxx. These are from Sam's. They're like kind of restaurant style containers because they're really big. And I just feel like they kind of keep my veggies a little fresher longer. So these are just Pyrex containers, and yeah, I prefer glass, but you know, plastic is totally fine because I am a klutz and break stuff all the time. So as you can see, it's a lot more organized, and it seems like a lot of stuff isn't really in here, but I mean pretty much everything you saw at the beginning is back in here. I went ahead and sliced up the bananas and put them in another container. I really like these because they remind me of like a juice bar. Hold on, what that looks like. And these bananas, I use them for my daughter's smoothies, so they're gonna go back there. And then I went ahead and took out the drawers, and to my surprise, there's 2 big blocks of ice back there. So I actually added some hot water, hoping it will actually thaw it out a little bit, but yeah, it's literally like, this is ice. There's like a block of ice and another block of ice over here. So I'm going to try to thaw those out and then clean this part out. I have successfully removed the big block of ice. Woo! Oh man, so I literally just removed an iceberg that was hiding behind here, our cold drawer, and I had to move this plastic thing with my handy dandy spatula because that's the only thing that really worked. That was a lot of ice, so I literally had an iceberg living in my fridge, and I felt like SpongeBob using a spatula to remove it. So I'm just gonna get done cleaning this, and then I'm gonna add everything back in place. Okay guys, so this is what the fridge looks like so far. I added a few things, some yogurt and some snacks up here. I also put the cheese sticks in like a Tupperware. That's my daughter's snack, she loves it. Down here is pretty much the same. I just added this asparagus. I was kind of doing research on how to like preserve your vegetables a little longer, and it said to actually add this in a container with water and cover it with plastic, so that's what I did. And then I already cleaned out these 3 drawers. So this is kind of like the fruit drawer. We don't really have a lot of fruit right now. My daughter eats fruit like crazy, so I actually ran out of like all of our berries this morning, so all I have is like apple and orange, 2 limes, and just more lettuce because I already have some cut up back there. And then over here is like our veggies. I have some Brussels sprouts, some tomatoes, bell pepper, and then these are all of my celery bunches. It's said to actually cover them in foil and they will last longer and stay crisper longer, so that's what I did. I actually went to Sam's and bought in bulk, so that's why I have 3. I really want to make a stir fry, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this with some bell peppers, some mushrooms, probably garlic. I love garlic. Yeah, I'm like getting hungry already. So I went ahead and cleaned out this drawer. This was like the dirtiest drawer ever. Again, with carrots, it's said to put it in a airtight sealed bag and put it in your coldest drawer. So this is our coldest drawer, so that's why it's here. You know, all of our meat, cheeses, turkey bacon. And then these are leftover from yesterday. We went to Fuddruckers, and I love their jalapeno cheese, so I just got me a few containers because sometimes I like chips with queso. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go over here, clean these out, and then I did put one of my daughter's milk over here, and I'm gonna clean these as well. Just trying to see what is expired, what's about to expire, so I can use it soon. So, oh, hello, pineapple. Okay, guys, I am finally done, and I am very happy with how everything looks. So I'm just kind of giving you like a very slow overview of everything. Now I'm going to show you the sides. I kind of categorize everything, so I always like to keep my butter and cream cheese and this oil that I like to use for cooking. You just have to refrigerate it. Then I kept like all of my salad stuff right here, so like my cheese, olives, and some dressings. And then down here is just kind of miscellaneous, but it does have like our pasta cheese. I put like our ranch, chili sauce, my daughter's teether. And then down here is just like coffee creamers, my kombucha, and then my dad really likes this when he comes over, so I just keep it in the fridge. Just a little snack for him. My dad is Middle Eastern, so I forgot what this is called, but he really likes it. Then on this side I just kept the whole milk, and then down here is just kind of like our ketchup, mustard, and mayo. This is like a sauce that it's like a bourbon peach sauce. It's so good. If my daughter's awake, by the way. If you have an HEB, get this. It's so good with chicken and bacon. Oh my gosh, it makes like the best. And then strawberry jam, more mayo. We have a chipotle mayo, the Greek yogurt, some honey barbecue, and some tomato basil. So these I actually need to use up pretty soon because those can go bad pretty quickly. So I'm thinking probably pasta night, maybe stir fry sometime soon. And this makes me very happy because I feel like I can see everything so nicely, and it inspires me to actually use up and cook what I have. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'm very happy. You have no idea. Like, I love when things look organized, and it just makes me very happy. So I hope you guys have a great day. Give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos like this. I have to do one of my daughter's rooms, so let me know if you'd be interested in that, like her nursery. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!